All right, and welcome to Minecraft. Minecraft the show. Welcome to Minecraft Education Edition, the show. We're going to be learning to code with MakeCode today. We have Nell.
Yes, that's me.
Nell's working. Nell's going to be our coder today, and then we've got. We're also going to do some multiplayer coding with Zilly. Zilly's is right next to us here. Okay. And we are in Minecraft Education Edition. If you have a school account with Office 365, you can sign in with this and use your school account. If your school account doesn't work, you can also look at the link we've added in YouTube to know how to enable it. And if you don't have an account, you can still do the R code tutorial that we did the other day. Okay. All right, so now let's get started. We're going to be doing a new world. We're going to do our let's come back and let's choose the grass world.
Oh yeah.
Maybe go back and let's use a template. Wait.
Yeah. I clicked host.
All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a game, and we're going to show how to do multiplayer game in Minecraft.
Is it going to be Spleef?
No, we're gonna invite Zilly. So if you're in the world and press escape, and now you click on host. Let's do stop hosting and redo it to show the whole thing.
Okay.
All right. So if you're in the game and you press escape, you can go into the hosting options. And you click start hosting, and you'll be able to play with anybody that is in your school or school district.
Rail.
Now, once you started hosting, what you need to do is, and this will work on a local network, so make sure you're in the same Wi-Fi. And now we've got one player in the house who's going to join us.
Wait, how do you know?
Well, we're going to see on the chat that someone is joining. So just wait a second. It's locating the server, and we see DH2 just joined the server. Hello, DH2. How you doing? And everybody can do coding in the same world. It's super fun. Hello. All right, now, and that being said, we're here for coding, not just Minecraft goofing around.
Okay.
All right, so this is great. You can do coding with your friends. And Zilly, are you going to be building a house?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Got a house building
and then
going on.
we can turn it to survival.
And we can turn to survival. All right, let's do this. Now, what are we going to be doing now?
I don't. Yeah. Can we? I don't know.
You don't know? Keep going.
Oh, superpower. Leap of faith.
I think we've done all of those.
Builder wall. I never did that.
Oh, builder wall.
But it's just you build a wall, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Sandstorm. I guess we could do.
Maybe we don't do a tutorial. We just do
superpowers. No, cause can we do a tutorial in Python?
Yeah, we could do a tutorial in Python. Let's.
Can we start with chicken rain?
Yeah, let's do chicken rain. It's gonna be a Python day today. Hold on, let me move out of the way here. Like that, like so.
Oh yay, there's chicken rains.
Like so. All right.
Oh, this is so cool. Let's spawn a chicken directly above the player's head. Mobs spawn chicken position 0, 10.
Remember how the blocks work? So in Python, there's a toolbox. So you can either type everything, or you can go in the toolbox and drag, just like you do in the blocks, drag snippets. And that kind of helps you.
Is this what it does?
Yeah, and then you drag it where you want it. Okay, and that already types a lot of code for you.
Oh, now all I have to do is...
0, 10, 0. And remember how we did, remember in blocks?
Mm-hmm.
How things look like? So this makes sense, right? You're just...
Yeah, it's because in blocks, it's mobs, and then you spawn chicken, position 0, 10,
yeah,
0.
It's kind of the same. It's just maybe a bit less colors. All right, let's try it.
But I like black.
Let's hit
as
run.
you can tell.
You're in dark mode today?
Oh yeah, but it's also MakeCode, you know, the arcade.
All right. I'm far away from my coffee. Coffee. All right.
Run your code pressing the green arrow. You should see a flying chicken above your head.
All right. Let's do that.
Where are you? Oh, yay! He's scared.
Hey, your first Python program.
It worked.
It works on the first try. That was pretty good.
And our house is going great.
And Zilly is working on the house. Thank you, Zilly.
Thank you.
In case at night we need to hide out.
I also want to turn it to survival.
All right. Let's go back to the tutorial.
Okay. Yay! The chicken is lonely. To give our chicken some friends, we can run this line code several times using a loop. Add loop and spawn to code more chickens.
Thank you. Wait. Click more.
More.
There we go. There we go. That makes more sense.
For I in range, is that what I do?
Yeah. Now look where they put it.
They put it on top?
They put it on top.
Oh.
You know, remember the for loop?
Oh yeah, that's 100.
Yeah, it's a for loop. It's just like the for loop. Now, I think you can drag it above. Try drag, or you can just type it all in.
Or can I...
Try dragging the loops and then you drop it above the... No, it doesn't want to.
Well then,
Now, what you can do is select the... So it's important to learn how to move text around. So select the whole line with your mouse. Here you go. Just the first line.
Mm-hmm.
And then, do you know your shortcuts? You're going to do Control X to cut.
Control X?
Oh, too many times.
But now
Let's
I
try
can
again.
put 4.
For a loop, and then we're going to redo the spawn. Oh, why are you putting it above?
I don't know.
Let's undo. Let's try again.
But look, when I try putting the for loop on top, this happens.
There we go. That's cool. And now you add the mobs here.
Here?
No, look at the template.
Here.
Yeah. And you can't have like just make sure you don't have a new line here. All right, so in blocks you have a mouth, right?
Yeah.
And in Python you use indentation. You know what indentation is?
Oh yeah, it's like a slash.
This piece of text says, oh, I'm under the for loop.
Yeah.
This is the indentation. It says, oh, I'm part of the for loop here, so run me in a loop 4 times.
Can we? Oh wait, but no, we have to change this to 100.
Yeah. Also, we have to fix the 10.
Do you like my house?
Oh, we can't really
Yeah,
see
well,
it.
we're going to the house in a second. We're gonna check it out.
Can we try right now?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's 100 chicken right there.
But we have to spawn them randomly.
Yeah.
Now let's go check the house.
Is that a jacuzzi? No, that's floors.
Yeah, I'm trying to make a bigger floor.
That's a very tiny house.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut these off so I can make a bigger house.
All right. Well, good
Make it
progress on the house, and we're gonna work on the chickens.
Yeah, I think they might have to die soon.
All right. Well, let's go back to Python. That's very exciting.
You can move away, you know. It's starting to get juicy.
A chicken is
Be
in
sure
my
to
house.
intend the mob spawn code
Hold on.
using the tab key. Eh?
Zoom in a bit. There we go.
Okay.
All right.
What? That
Well
is-
done. Yeah. That's the first tutorial. You did it.
Can we do another tutorial?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, the way you're going to do that is going home.
Mega jump.
Yeah, mega jump.
Oh, and then we're going to be jumping so high. So Lee, can you try and build a jacuzzi so we can land in our jacuzzi?
Yeah, but after my house.
All right.
After your house,
First
okay.
need a house. All right, let's do Python. So if you've done all the blocks tutorial and you're willing, you want to give a try to Python, you can do them all in Python as well. And you can use your knowledge of blocks to kind of figure out what's going
And
on.
then once you're done with Python, you can do JavaScript.
Yeah, you'll-
dun.
There's many languages to code a computer.
I was starting to get sick by that movie. Okay. Add a command named jump.
All
This is
right.
gonna be a big house.
Oh,
Okay?
well, that was easy. There we go. Well, that's a lot of text. So it creates a function and then it attaches. So this is this def thing. Let me grab the mouse. I'm going to explain
Okay.
what's going on. This is a function. Remember the functions in,
Oh, yeah.
in blocks?
I
And this tells, oh, whenever you see jump in the chat, then run this function. All right, so that's what this whole code means. May look like a bit of
Jibber jabber.
jibber jabber. All right, let's look at the step number 2.
I got some meat from the chicken.
On the chat command event, teleport the player to a position that is 100 blocks higher than the current position.
All right,
Oh.
let's try to type it all in ourselves. Oh, you want to drag and drop?
Oh,
Yeah, you can drag and drop teleport.
okay. Player teleport to. We can just do that, right?
Yeah.
And it works.
Yeah, that's a good start. Then we'll fix it.
But I was writing all morning. But I can type. Yay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to replace pass. See how they highlighted the change?
But do I have to have? Okay, so I
Now
start
you're gonna see how these editors work. They're kind of like, so type P,
P
L,
L
A.
A.
Oh, now you see, oh, there's all the options.
Player teleport
Boom!
to position 100 higher.
100
So
higher.
100 is here because that's third position.
It's
It's
west,
al-
east, then altitude, then north, south.
And this is altitude.
Yeah. Bam!
Now,
That's some nice Python code right there.
can I try it?
Yeah.
Oh, Zilly, nice house.
Thank you.
The house is making great progress, and we're also making great progress on our Python coding here.
It's gonna be a house for 2 people.
Good,
And we
because
have a
I'm.
chat command.
Yeah! I want to do that again. It was fun.
Oh, you remember the arrow up trick.
Oh, what arrow up trick? Oh, yeah.
All right, we're on a roll. Let's keep,
So is the house.
so is the house. Let's keep going on this Python quest. This is very fun.
It actually is. Okay.
Hey,
Hide
the house
in the
is
current
gonna
position.
be pretty.
Go to Minecraft, type T. What?
Did that. We're already a step ahead.
Yeah. Add a perimeter variable to chat command. Use a variable name number 1 for the perimeter. This will add a number perimeter to the command.
So you see the parenthesis between on chat? So there's def on chat, then open parenthesis, close parenthesis.
Oh,
And what you can do is you can say the function, oh, the function is going to take a number. So we're going to call that
Mommy, the
num1.
house is gonna be all blue.
And that is going to create a variable.
yay.
And then we can use that variable, I think that's the next step. Can use that variable in the, instead of the 100.
Instead of the number 100 in the teleport position, use num1 perimeter so that you will jump by the amount entered by the player. Yay! Now, let's try it out.
Uh-oh. You
Oh.
sure you did that? Let's go back to the code.
Oh. Code. I hadn't done what it told me to do. 0 num1 0.
Aha. So the goal of this is that instead of always jumping 100, the user is going to enter the value in the chat command. Num1. Okay, now what you want to do is to go to a chat and say jump, and then you say how much you want to jump.
Jump. 5.
And that number is going to become, is going to start into num1, and then num1 is going to be passed into the
Let's
teleport.
see. Oh.
Yeah, and if you see our coordinate, hey, where did the coordinate go?
Hey, I'm going to try and land in the house.
You forgot to. It's like a giant seat.
Sorry, no, I'm meaning a little window. Voila.
Oh, it
Is
actually.
it transparent house?
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
pretty slick.
It's actually cool. It's like a glass
Yeah.
house. Oh, and look, I use shift.
Oh yeah, you've improved your Minecraft skills.
Yes, I have.
All right, let's go back to this Python mode and see what we've got. We aced this one. It's probably going to tell us to go and jump. Yeah.
No. Oh, it told me to try 1,000. I guess I have to.
We're in a roll. This Python is really fun.
I have to try 1,000. Oh, I clicked home. That's.
Oh, it's not going to run the code. It's the last program. Your last programs are here. There we go. Make a jump.
I like how it looks, the logo.
The snake.
Yeah, it's like.
Sorry guys, I made
You've closed MakeCode. I'm not sure it's going to be running.
Well, then how about we just get to another?
Just hit run.
Don't ask why I'm making it bad.
Oh.
No, this is gonna take.
I think so. You have to use 0, not O.
Oh
They
yeah.
look the same. All right, 1,000.
Oh, where are the clouds? Where are the clouds?
Are we flying?
I
Oh no, we're getting there.
I'm trying.
It takes a long time.
I'm trying to land on Zalee's house.
You're gonna crush Zilly.
Oh.
Missed it.
You missed her. Oh, you know what would have been so cool, Zalee? Is that you would have added water right here,
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
and it's gonna look super cool. But
That's what I'm
back
gonna
to
do
me.
now.
Do you want to do more Python?
Yes, it's fun. Okay,
Okay.
Oh, and by the way, you can go back to blocks if you want.
My roof is not that good.
Oh.
see, it's that easy.
It's that easy.
Okay, now
Oh my God, flower trail.
I'm gonna put water around it. so
Yeah,
we can
that's. These things are starting to get
Hey,
intense.
chicken! What are you doing?
He's being a chicken.
Leave a flower trail everywhere you go. Oh, that's a fun one. I love this mod.
And then we can put a flower trail around our house.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Oh, and remember we did it, and it looks so nice.
Yeah.
We want to place flowers while walking, so use on-traveled event for walk.
Well, we use the walking event a lot. So this toolbox is really helpful when you're learning Python because it has all the code for you. That's ready. And again, if you go back to the code now,
Oh, okay. What code?
to understand what this is, do you remember what this is?
Yes. It's like it's a function.
Yeah, it's a function, just like in blocks. And we're telling whenever a walk happened in the code, we want to run this function.
Okay. Now we have to place some flowers while we walk, and that will go in the function, I'm guessing.
Yeah. And you can see there's a code here, and they've highlighted the change.
It's gonna be a small castle,
And drag
just
that.
like a garage. Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
I can't really see. Oh, wait.
You can delete the pass. Backspace it.
No.
Backspace it all. You don't want this white line. There you go.
Hey.
Yep. Python is very picky about indentation, so organizing your code.
This
You
is
always want to
organized.
keep it tidy. Yep. You're putting grass. You sure? We want flowers, right?
I miss seeing what we could do.
So you're gonna backspace.
Can I go to blocks and see what pretty ones there are? You can't go to block.
Not in the tutorial. Sorry to tell you that. No cheating.
Yellow flower. Position 000. Because that's us.
Yeah.
I'm getting better at this. Let's have more flowers. Place an oxide daisy while walking too.
All right. Let's try to type it.
I'm behind you now.
But
So
Lala, I'm killing you.
it will
let's go ahead and add that.
stop killing me. So where do you add it? Does
See, you want to add it right under the other line.
but we have to move this.
It's okay. So if you put your cursor in the previous line and you press enter, it's going to move it down.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. All right. So you start typing, and then the IntelliSense is the auto-completion is going to help you. Oh, place. So yeah, you can select that, or you can press tab if you want. If you don't want to, there you go.
I don't want to place grass.
And then yeah, we backspace that, and then we're going to say Yeah.
Oxide
There you
daisy.
go. Now, if you don't want to click on the mouse, you can also tab.
I like clicking on a mouse.
well.
Clicky.
I love the mouse too.
Who put in water?
Oh, okay. Let's try our code. Let's see if this. Oh, let's see the next step. Let's see what's going on.
Can we try our code?
Yeah. Always try your code.
Who put in water?
It's working. I think it was you.
It's working pretty well. Although it only works when you walk.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
It wasn't me.
Zilly, just try and fix it.
Zilly.
The trick is,
Zilly is fighting the water. Alright.
I'm gonna have
get
to
a bucket and start bucketing it all out.
Alright. Now let's figure out this tutorial.
Okay.
Now we're on a roll with Python. We can't stop.
Go to my. I did that. Now.
Let's add one more, Poppy. You can add a whole bouquet.
Enter.
So you're gonna start typing, and then if you like place, don't click. Let me show you. All right. Try again. BL,
No, just B.
and then now hit tab. Bam. So your hand didn't have to go all the way to the other side.
Okay, I just got a bowl.
Okay. Poppy.
Now, if you know the name of your favorite, if you know the name of your favorite flowers, you can put that in, or you can put any name of them.
It doesn't
blocks.
let me get the water.
I should start taking a list of all the flowers.
Yeah.
And
I think
everything.
I'm gonna have to start the whole house.
Take a bucket and start shoveling it all out.
All right.
Look.
I can't
Let's
really
go.
see.
And we're in multiplayer, so Zilly is making a lot of noise. But the house is making a lot of progress. You see the house in the background?
Oh,
Go
yeah.
check out the. Oh, this is getting really nice.
Let's go check. Oh, when I'm sprinting, it doesn't do it.
Well, let's change the code so that it does it when we run as well.
Oh, good, because run.
So what we can do, and this you can do in Python, but not in blocks. We can use the same function here for running as well. So you're gonna write the same as the last line. So we're gonna say player on traveled tab. Now we don't want on travel 2. We're gonna delete that. Instead, we're gonna use on travel 1. Yeah, delete that. Backspace that. The one we've already defined. This we delete. And we're going to use the same functions for 2 events.
I don't want it to walk.
Yeah, it shouldn't be walk.
Sprint, or can I just write run? Sprint.
Sprint.
Okay, let's try this.
And that's great. And that's something you can't really do in blocks. We would have to define a new function and everything. Are you running? Does it do flowers? Oh yeah, it's working. Oh, this is great. So there's some things, you can do a lot in blocks, but something you can do with languages like JavaScript or Python, because they're more expressive, as we say.
There's no
They can be more complicated.
I'm gonna give him 3 eggs.
All right. He's very happy now. Can do an omelette.
Silly, just start shoveling.
All right. And that, I think, is going to conclude our first Python story. Woohoo!
It was actually fun.
It was fun. Yeah, Python is fun. And you can do all the tutorials we have in
I'm
Minecraft
making a house that's
using Python.
Oh wait, I did it on accident. I'm gonna have.
Let's see if we finished it. What else do we have?
Oh yeah. You have to add bundles and stuff. Go
Go and try it.
blocks, yellow flower.
Oh, yeah, that was to do 3 lines.
Do we need that?
Yeah, we can try it.
Okay. Position 1, position -1.
So that's going to be 1 to the side, -1,
Oh.
-1. There we go.
Let's try this.
Let's try this. Python it.
Oh, so
It's
nice.
wider. Yeah, it looks much better. You can do entire fields of flour.
Oh, look. That's nice.
Oh, so cool.
And it still looks like you were planting it because it's still a bit uneven.
All right, that's the Python flower trail
And a very
in
fun one.
Minecraft education using MakeCode. And that concludes today's streaming session.
Oh, wait. But first,
Not mine.
we have to help Zilly.
And we're going to stop streaming while we're helping Zilly with her house.
I'm just going to teach, if anybody needs it, how to get water out.
To get water out.
You take a bucket and you go like this. I don't know.
Oh, that's how you... Keep going. No.
How do you use a bucket?
I don't know. You're the Minecraft expert.
No, I'm not. Elliot is. Oh, well, I guess
Well-
this house is gone forever.
Oh, and there's a fire there. What's
No,
going
there's
on?
a campfire.
A campfire.
I'm making a house with.
All right, well, that's the end of our stream.
Bye.
Thank you, and bye, everyone.